Hey friends, I was gifted these anti-fog wipes. Let's see how well they work. Here we go. Alright, so you can see it's all foggy right here, right? So let's take our little wipe here, pull that out, and still foggy there. Nothing more annoying than if your windshield fogs up or something like that, or your mirrors, your glasses. So are these wipes actually legit? I was a little skeptical, but check this out. All right, so get it all wiped down. If it has extra residue, you can wipe that off. Now watch. I cannot fog it up, guys. This is incredible. Finally, something that actually works. The SHIELDOM anti-fog wipes are crazy. I cannot fog this up. Nothing's more annoying, especially with wearing a mask or something and your glasses fog up or something from the vapors coming up underneath there. Excellent product here. Works as advertised. I literally cannot get it to fog up. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day.